Hey, I freaking love Street Fighter! Autograph your spleen for me?